How to get or how to earn free shipping on HelloFresh. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. To get free shipping on HelloFresh, now new customers typically get free shipping. If you are a new customer and you're making your first order, right, your first box order. For instance, you can see this is my first time logging into the account, so I can build a plan. During my checkout, I'll get a free shipping. So it's the way you can register yourself for a new account and then get a free shipping. However, you can also use specialized promo codes. On the checkout page, you'll get the option to simply submit your promo code, enter in your promo code on the page. And the best methods include using student or teacher discounts via the uni days, signing up for text alerts, and checking for comeback offers or link and Amazon Prime. Or you can also head into your web and you can simply search in HelloFresh. So you can search it this way. However, make sure of the scam and only check out the official web page to see if there is any ongoing promos, and you can use that promo code during your checkout. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.